Welcome to Real Estate Investment Management Brokerage Development LLC Construction, Carpentry, building the framework for a fireplace hearth. So this owner wanted a fireplace hearth built. And so this is the framing that goes into it. So notice the hearth height here is one height, and we had to take off, there's going to be an inch of sheathing or covering, like a plywood, and then 3 inches of concrete finished top, and that'll leave us about an inch clearance here, and that's what the owner wanted. So notice the construction. So typically you would think, well, gee, why are there two 2x4s here? And the reason here is because there's radiant heat going in this floor. So you not only needed one 2x4, on the bottom you needed two, because they have a floor surface that goes up to here. And then these are cripple studs. And these are cross-sectional studs, and we did something called put headlock bolts that penetrate about like this depth. We did that on both sides, so it's really sturdy. And then we're going to have plywood and 3 inches of concrete on top of that. Just wanted you to see the structure, see our carpentry work. And that's in process. And we have an exterior one we're further along with. So for this fireplace out here, we built that framework, and then this has the sheathing on top of it. Notice it's really strong. Did I hear a crack when I jumped? Anyway, in this case, the framing, this is an exterior fireplace, so pressure-treated wood had to be here. Notice there's a 1/2 inch gap here. That's good framing and good carpentry for water. And notice working around this obstacle. That's an example of great carpentry. And notice this sheathing goes up here and the cap goes over it. So the sequence of building it there, and notice the siding, there's a gap left because there's going to be 3 inches of cement here. So it's really good construction. So I'll summarize. So this is a construction, carpentry, framing an interior, and I showed you an exterior hearth. If you'd like us to help you with this kind of carpentry, we'd be happy to give you a quote and an evaluation. Please text or email us. We hope that helps you.